We are in the city of Kumamoto. It's an absolutely beautiful morning here. I have once again been appointed to be the flower ambassador of the Kumamoto City, and I'm really proud of being here today together with the mayor to celebrate this amazing day at the Hanahaku, which means like a flower expo here at Kumamoto City. What you see behind me here is the huge flower installation that I made here for the city of Kumamoto. The big sort of object or ball in the middle symbolizes sort of the center of the city, and all these sort of like flower arrangements coming out from the center sort of symbolizes that there's so many beautiful green spots with flowers and plants that the Kumamoto city really focuses on. It's huge, it's big, it's built a little bit on a hill, so also that went into consideration when I created this flower sculpture. We have used more than 7,000 plants, and there's more than 50 varieties of plants, so a lot of work has gone into collecting all the different plants and materials for this installation. If you come a bit closer, I'll show you some of the details here. It's perfect season, perfect weather. It's October. There's so much beautiful like autumn foliage, these fox face branches, lots of other berries and twigs and branches coming out of this center, and then all the plants which are here from Kumamoto. All the plant growers has worked very hard to collect these over 7,000 plants. I really tried this time to, instead of having it very compact at one level, to have several sort of levels of flowers coming together to one big arrangement. It's sort of like there's so many big buildings around here also. There's a lot of locations where you can see the arrangement from the top. And of course that has been into consideration as well. And please notice that it's not flat to the ground. There's like a slight sort of movement which is totally different from if you just put it flat on the ground. It really sort of, as it elevates a bit from the ground, it really creates a sort of beautiful movement to the whole arrangement. Very soon, about an hour from now, we're gonna have a small ceremony down here. I'm gonna do a flower performance at the stage. I'm gonna make 3 or 4 big flower arrangement and bouquets, and perhaps a bit of surprises as well. So that's the flow of what's gonna happen in the next hour or so.
それではお呼びいたしましょう。熊本花博2023フラワーアンバサダーニコライ・バーグマンさんです。拍手でお迎えください。
ありがとうございます。何回も非常にやっぱり花と自然を取り入れている街では約7000バッチですね。Call it the newest wonder. Call it the future trend. It's got the sauce, the Bob cherry on top of cider, joy within. Wider than the land of Giza. Taller than a pyramid. Something new for you and you and you and you. Come along and tell your friends. 本当にありがとうございます。これからもよろしくお願いします。
ニコライさんから大西市長へプレゼントです。
ありがとうございます。そうですね、これはね、私たちのスリーカンっていうんですけど、どっちかというと小さいグラスなんですけど、その子とかどうから作るのかっていう話があったんですけれども、今度一緒も、Thank you so much for watching. Remember, you can see this beautiful installation behind me until November 26th. I hope lots of you will come and have a look. Take care. Thank you.